1,79,000 per 10 gram. Now that was gold's cost in February 2026. Your mother's jewelry is worth more than your car. And right now, lakhs of people are buying digital gold on their UPI apps. I'll tell you why this is dangerous. Today, I'll show you why Indians and gold are inseparable, of 5,000 years of proof. And then I'll tell you exactly what to do in 2026 with your money. Let's go. Now, why do Indians love gold so much? It's not a tradition, it goes deeper than that. In Hindu philosophy, the very first age of time is called as Satya Yug, the golden age. But here is the thing, it wasn't called golden age because people wore heavy chains. It was golden because life was pure, stable, true. Gold became the symbol for the things that don't break down, things that don't lie. The Rig Veda, one of the oldest book ever written, has a hymn called as Hiranya Garbha Sukta. Now Hiranya means gold and Garbha means worm. The golden worm, the seed from which the entire universe was born. Now gold was never just a metal to us. Gold became a symbol of purity. That idea, 5,000 years old, is still alive every time someone buys a gold at wedding. Okay, now philosophy is enough. Let's understand. Let me show you some proof. 2500 BCE, Mohenjo-Daro and Lothal. These are real excavated sites, not myths. And what did archaeologists find inside the ordinary homes? Not palaces, not temples. I'm talking about homes, gold necklaces, gold beaded ornaments, gold stripe worn on the forehead. Now this wasn't just for king. A trader's wife in Lothal 4,500 years ago wore gold the same way your auntie is wearing in some function today. Same emotion, same meaning. And the craftsmanship, these weren't rough lumps of metal. They had granulation of work, a filigree pattern, techniques so precise that today's goldsmiths still study them. India didn't just have gold, India mastered gold 4,500 years ago. Different century, same hands, same love. Now fast forward that to Gupta Empire, the 4th century. Gold coins were everywhere. But here's what wild. These gold coins were tested recently. Scientists use X-ray machine to check the purity. Results? 85 to 94% pure gold. In the era before chemistry lab existed. How? Because kings knew if your gold coin is fake, people stop trusting you. And if people stop trusting you, your kingdom fails. Sounds familiar? Chanakya wrote the Arthashastra 2300 years ago. It has full chapters on gold quality, gold reserves, gold policy. Basically, he was writing the first RBI circular. The more things change, the more they don't. Have you ever wondered why your nani doesn't trust bank with her gold? Now we need to talk something which is uncomfortable. For 200 years, British colonial rule drained wealth from India. Gold, silver, goods, all exported. I was disappointed to see the Kohinoor diamond in the London Tower. I felt that it should have been in Indian Museum. India's own gold gone. So when independence came, Indians didn't rush to put the gold in bank. They buried it. They stitched it into their saris. They whispered this to their children. Now that's not called as backwardness. That's institutional memory. Your nani who doesn't trust the digital gold, she is not behind the times. She just remembers something you were never taught in school. Okay, history done. Money talk starts. Stay with me. Number 1, the price. Now February 2026, 1,79,000 per 10 gram. That's a 14% gain in February alone. 1 month, 14%. The Nifty didn't do that in full 1 year. Number 2, the shift. Gold ETF crossed 110 tons in total holding. 240 billion came in February alone. Urban India is moving from physical gold to paper gold. Big deal. We will talk about it why. Number 3, the RBI. India's central bank now holds 880 tons of gold. Highest proportion of forex reserve ever. Now when RBI is buying so much of gold aggressively, that's a signal. It's not an advice, it's just a signal. Before you buy the digital gold on any unverified UPI app, you need to hear this. SEBI has issued an official warning. Digital gold is not secured under Indian law. SEBI does not regulate it. If the platforms shut down tomorrow, you are not protected. You are unsecured creditor. You stand in a queue and just wait. That's the legal reality. Now your question is that who protects you? Now see the first row in the table. Millions of people are sitting on the first row right now. You don't have to be one of them. Now here is exactly what has changed in 2026 and what you should be doing about it. Number 1. Jewelry. Beautiful, emotional, but not an investment. You pay 3% GST on everything, including the making charges. Now the making charge alone is from 8% to 25% of the price. Buy it to wear, not to grow your money. Number 2. Digital gold from unverified platform. Either exit or avoid. SEBI warned you, I warned you, your Nani warned you in her own ways. Shift to ETFs, safer, cleaner and regulated. Number 3. SGB. Big change in 2026. Sovereign gold bonds. Biggest update of the year. Old rule says that buy SGB from the stock exchange. Hold to pay the maturity. Pay zero tax. New rule from April 2026. That exemption is gone. Tax-free treatment now only applies if you are the original subscriber. Meaning, you bought directly from RBI through your post bank or post office and you hold it for 8 full years. Both conditions, not one, both. If you bought SGB from NSE or BSE, you now pay capital gain tax on profit. Simple version, buy it from RBI, hold it for 8 years or pay tax. Number 4. Gold ETF. Best option right now for most people. It is SEBI regulated. Stored in a demat, you can buy and sell any day. Tax 20% after 3 years of holding. No making charges, no storage stress, no locker needed. Number 5. Physical gold. Keep some always for emergencies, for weddings, for peace of mind. But only buy BIS hallmark gold. Always take a proper bill. No bill, no proof, you will have problems later. Now 4,500 years ago, someone in Lothal wore a gold fillet on their forehead. Today, the RBI is buying 880 tons of the same metal. The thread is unbroken. The question is this: are you holding it smartly? Comments below. SGB for 8 years or you're switching to ETF. I will reply to every comment this week. See you there.